How to shop Amazon Pantry. Want to stock up on essentials? This guide shows you how to shop on Amazon Pantry so you can get your pantry staples delivered to your door. First, open the Amazon shopping app and look for Amazon Pantry section. You'll find it in the main menu or by searching for it. You'll see a variety of pantry items like snacks, beverages, canned goods, and more. You should know that Amazon Pantry is for Prime members only. If you're not a Prime member, you can't shop on Amazon Pantry. If you're a Prime member, you can get free shipping on all orders over a certain amount. It's a great way to stock up on essentials. You can add items to your cart just like you would with any other product. Once you're done shopping, you can go to your cart and proceed to checkout. You'll be able to see the total cost of your order, including the shipping cost, before you place your order. You now know how to shop Amazon Pantry. Get ready to stock up on essentials. Like and subscribe for more app tips.